welcome to this tutorial on deer run rate. So if we head to dashboard from the home page, now this can take a little while to pull up the data as there's a lot of it. And if we go from the start of this year to present day, and I'll use this site as an example. So you can see here the hours per hectare deer run rate column. So the WS1 grant requires you to spend 3 hours per hectare annually on deer management. Regardless of the culls done, the hours are non-negotiable and the most important aspect of the grant. And this run rate figure calculates how on track you are to that target. It will give you a good idea as to how much or little focus is needed on a particular site and where best to allocate your resources. And this will update in real time, so we'll give you an accurate figure throughout the year. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions on this function or any others, please get in touch at info@wildtrackpro.com or give us a call.